Hey everyone, this is Buddy, and we're looking at how to use your iPad and Mac like a pro in college or in high school or whatever, just in school in general, how to use those to the best of your ability. So let's jump into the top 5 ones that I have written down here. And up first, we've got the copy and paste from your iPad to Mac or Mac to iPad. So this is a pretty easy one that not a lot of people know about or utilize as much as they could. Basically, you can actually copy something on your Mac or iPad and then paste it onto the other device and vice versa. This can even work with your iPhone, but this will make it really easy that if you type up some notes or type up, say, something that you want to look at your iPad later or maybe mark up or something, then you can easily transfer between the two. The next one is that you really have to know how to AirDrop documents back and forth. So if you ever have, say, a Word doc or maybe a PDF that you downloaded or something on your Mac, you gotta be able to download that you gotta be able to put that on your iPad. So if you go into your Finder, you can actually right click or go up to the little share button in Finder, click on it, and then click on AirDrop, and then just make sure that your device is on and you can AirDrop straight to that device. You just click it and it'll appear and ask you where you want to open the file with. But basically, you guys have got to be able to download those documents, and AirDrop does it super fast. The next big tip is using Notability. If you guys haven't already, Notability, or I think GoodNotes is another app that you guys could look into using, but I like Notability personally, and it allows you to do everything. You can use multiple colors, thicknesses, you can write and type and resize and copy paste, insert images, pretty much do everything you ever wanted to for marking up documents or taking notes on your iPad. And then it will sync across your iOS devices, so you can look at that same document on your Mac or your iPhone. It's a great device and a great learning tool, and I would highly recommend checking out one of my other videos that I did on this if you guys want to see how more in depth to use Notability. That you guys can click on the little card up here, or it'll be linked down in the description below. Basically, Notability is a must-have. Just before we go on, just as a reminder, not a lot of you guys are subscribed to the channel that are watching these videos, and if you're enjoying the video so far and you might want to see some other videos that we're coming out with, just hit that subscribe button down below. It's free, easy, and you can undo it at any time. But anyways, let's get back to the 4th tip. The next tip I have is using PowerPoint with Notability. So sometimes if you're in Canvas or you're downloading a certain PowerPoint from somewhere, you actually want to get it into the native PowerPoint app. So yes, have that app downloaded on your iPad as well, and then actually go up to the 3 little dots, click on the share, click on transferring it via PDF to another app, and that's how you guys can actually get the clean, best looking version of that PowerPoint into Notability to use and to write on. This is by far the best way to transfer any PowerPoints that you want to do in Notability. The last thing that's super cool is that you can actually download documents straight from Canvas or your student app or on your iPad somehow, then write on it, mark it up, make it perfect. Then you can actually share that note that you made as a PDF form to the app that you're trying to upload it to. So if you're trying to upload it to Canvas, you just make sure it's in a PDF, and you can actually select the correct class, the correct assignment that you want to turn in that document to. So this is a great way to not even have to leave your iPad or device and turn it in straight from there. Otherwise, you'd have to AirDrop it to your MacBook or email it to yourself, then maybe turn it in from your computer or somehow transfer it that way. But this way, it makes it super fluid and easy without even having to leave the app. That's all the tips I got for you guys. Remember, before you go, if you've enjoyed this video and you're still watching, why not leave a subscription down below, hit that big red subscribe button, and it's free, easy, and you can undo it at any time. But thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.